So this is a 2019 Honda Pilot. Rear wipers not doing so well. Gonna replace it with this Bosch H354. On these, all you do is you gently just rotate them and they slip right out. So when you look at this, you'll see these little things that stick out on the one side that aren't present on the other. The one that you slide over the knob is the one without those things. So once you, I just come over this way, and then there's a groove that this slides into, and then you just rotate it around until you just kind of work with it, and then it pops in there like that, and you're done. So that's it.